Octopus, the mysterious wonder of the ocean. The octopus, with its bizarre appearance and enigmatic behaviors, has long been a symbol of the wonders beneath the ocean's depths. Not only is it a creature with a unique exterior, but the octopus also possesses complex biological abilities that leave even scientists astonished. These capabilities not only aid in their survival, but also make them one of the most intelligent and versatile beings in the sea. Dubbed the escape artist, or trickster of the deep, the octopus is truly a masterpiece of nature and presents a challenging question to science regarding evolution and survival. Flexible invertebrates. Octopuses belong to the cephalopod group, a class of invertebrate mollusks that also includes squids and cuttlefish. Among this group, the octopus stands out with its unique combination of intelligence and flexibility in movement, hunting, and defense. For an invertebrate, the octopus is a prime example of challenging traditional evolutionary rules. Lacking a skeletal framework, their bodies are entirely soft and can deform to adapt to the tightest environments, from crevices on the ocean floor to tiny cracks. The octopus's flexibility is also evident in its locomotion. Instead of swimming solely by expelling water from a funnel beneath their bodies like many other species, they can use their arms to pull or climb surfaces, even walk underwater. Each arm is not only a locomotive appendage, but also has sensory and cognitive functions, making the octopus one of the most complex marine animals. Another remarkable feature is that they have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood through the gills, and 1 pumps it throughout the body. Octopus blood is blue due to hemocyanin, a copper-based molecule that helps transport oxygen efficiently in low-oxygen underwater environments. However, the most noteworthy aspect is the independent movement and thinking ability of their arms. Diverse habitats and remarkable adaptability. Another marvel of the octopus is its ability to inhabit nearly every marine environment, from the cold, deep seas where sunlight barely penetrates to the vibrant kelp forests. Octopuses can adapt and thrive. Not limited to the depths, octopuses are also found in warm coral reefs and rocky coastal waters. This survival capability is not only due to their ability to change color and skin texture, but also to their soft, malleable bodies and shape-shifting abilities, which help them evade predators. Even more astonishing is that each octopus species has unique strategies to adapt to its habitat. For instance, the Dumbo octopus, living in the deep sea, features 2 ears, resembling those of Disney's Dumbo, enabling it to glide smoothly through the deep waters. On the other hand, the blue-ringed octopus, one of the most venomous octopuses in the world, inhabits the coral reefs of the Pacific and Indian Oceans, displaying glowing blue rings when it feels threatened. Complex nervous system and distributed thinking mechanism. The most remarkable feature of the octopus is not its soft exterior or incredible camouflage abilities, but its complex nervous system. With approximately 500 million neurons, the octopus has a relatively large brain for its body size. However, most of these neurons are located in its arms. This means that each arm of the octopus is not just a tool for movement, but also has the ability to think and process information independently. For example, when an octopus arm detects prey, it can capture it independently without direct intervention from the central brain. The arm is capable of sensing, analyzing, and making decisions on its own. This is akin to a part of the octopus's body having the ability to act independently from the rest of the body, a remarkable mechanism that enhances its flexibility in hunting and self-defense. Origins and remarkable evolution. The evolutionary history of the octopus dates back over 500 million years. making them one of the oldest surviving animal species. The ancestors of octopuses once had a hard outer shell for protection, similar to today's snails or squids. However, around 140 million years ago, octopuses lost this protective shell, marking a significant turning point in their evolutionary history. The loss of the shell allowed octopuses to become much more flexible, enabling them to develop advanced camouflage abilities and become masters of self-defense. While they lost their protective armor, they gained exceptional intelligence and adaptability, allowing octopuses not only to survive, but to thrive in the most challenging environments of the ocean. Perfect camouflage artistry. One of the octopus's extraordinary abilities is camouflage, and they execute it so effectively that they can become virtually invisible to predators in an instant. The octopus's skin contains chromatophores, pigment cells that can rapidly change color when activated by signals from the nervous system. But that's not all. They also possess light-reflecting structures called iridophores and leucophores, which create various light effects, allowing the octopus to blend seamlessly with its surroundings. Not only can they change color, but octopuses can also alter the texture of their skin. They use special structures called papillae to create surfaces that are either rough or smooth, depending on the environment. This ability makes them masters of camouflage not just in color, but also in shape and texture, making it difficult for predators to detect them. Remarkably, the octopus's skin can respond to light even without being connected to the brain. This means that even if a part of the octopus's body is severed, it still has the ability to change color and interact with its surroundings. Problem-solving skills and playfulness. When it comes to intelligence, octopuses are not only capable of reacting to their environment, but also excel in problem-solving and memory. Experiments have shown that octopuses can distinguish between objects, recall past events, and even plan for the future. For instance, in one study, an octopus used a coconut shell as a tool for self-defense, an action demonstrating tool use comparable to that seen in higher animals. Additionally, octopuses have been observed engaging in play behavior, a rare trait among invertebrates. They entertain themselves by creating fun activities, such as blowing water bubbles or playing with objects in their environment. Intelligence and evolutionary pressure. An interesting aspect of octopus intelligence is that it did not evolve due to social needs as seen in vertebrates. Instead, octopus intelligence developed as a result of survival pressures in a harsh marine environment. With numerous predators and intense competition for food, octopuses had to devise new strategies to survive, which is when their intelligence began to flourish. While many animals develop intelligence through social interactions, octopuses develop theirs from ecological needs, meaning their intelligence primarily serves purposes such as hunting, self-defense, and surviving in an unforgiving environment. Regeneration and defense. Another remarkable biological feature of octopuses is their ability to regenerate their limbs. If an octopus's arm is severed or injured during hunting or evading a predator, it can regenerate the arm over time. This not only helps the octopus maintain its mobility, but also ensures it can continue to defend itself and hunt effectively. The regeneration of an octopus's arm is similar to how some lizards can regrow their tails, but it is much more complex due to the millions of nerve cells and specialized sensory receptors contained within the arms. Unique defense system, the sea warrior's tactics. Octopuses not only rely on camouflage and regeneration to protect themselves, but also employ other sophisticated defense mechanisms. One of the most common methods they use is ink expulsion. When threatened, An octopus can release a thick, dark cloud of ink, creating a veil that obscures the predator's vision. The ink not only reduces the predator's visibility, but also contains irritants that can numb their senses, allowing the octopus to make a swift escape. Independent intelligence, a unique evolutionary journey. One of the reasons octopuses are so fascinating to scientists is how their intelligence has developed independently from vertebrates. When observing highly intelligent animals like dolphins, chimpanzees, or even humans, their intelligence often evolves based on social needs, interacting with peers, and learning through community living. However, octopuses are solitary creatures, usually living alone and lacking the complex social interactions seen in other animals. The intelligence of octopuses has developed in response to survival pressures, not social needs. This has led to a completely different system of thinking and behavior, known as ecological intelligence. In the wild, octopuses face numerous threats from predators and harsh environments, which compels them to develop skills such as problem-solving, planning, and even tool use to enhance their survival. A glimpse into alien intelligence. Ultimately, what makes the octopus truly remarkable is not only its unique intelligence, but also how it challenges our preconceptions about intelligence in nature. If octopus intelligence has evolved independently on our planet, could it be evidence of the potential for similar forms of intelligence on other planets? In many science fiction films, extraterrestrial beings are often depicted with octopus-like features, multiple tentacles, and a distributed thinking system. This may reflect an optimal evolutionary path for survival in their environment, without necessarily resembling the forms of intelligence we are familiar with. In the natural world, octopuses offer a lesson in the diversity of intelligence and how evolution can produce different forms of thinking. We often assume that intelligence must be paired with a large brain and complex social structures, but octopuses demonstrate that there is no single path to achieving it. Eternal intelligence and mystery. The octopus is a perfect example of how intelligence can evolve in diverse ways within nature. From a solitary invertebrate without complex social structures, the octopus has evolved into one of the most intelligent and sophisticated animals on the planet. Its problem-solving abilities, tool use, planning skills, and even playful behaviors make it a creature worthy of admiration and respect. The intelligence of the octopus is not only an astonishing biological phenomenon, but also a source of inspiration for studies on the development of intelligence in nature. By exploring octopuses, we gain insights into the ocean and raise profound questions about the nature of intelligence and the potential for intelligent life elsewhere in the universe. Wow! Is the octopus one of the most mysterious creatures of the ocean you've ever encountered? With its superior intelligence and unique survival abilities, the octopus not only challenges our definitions of life on Earth, but also sparks questions about extraterrestrial intelligence. Can you imagine that alien beings might resemble octopuses? If you're intrigued by strange secrets and unique discoveries about the animal world, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the Wise Owl channel to make sure you don't miss any exciting videos in the future. Turn on notifications to be the first to explore the wonders of nature we're preparing for you. Share your thoughts on the octopus and let us know which marine creatures you'd like to learn about next. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next adventure with Wise Owl.